All right, so I'm here with Rick Tashman from Tashman Tech. So Rick, how are you doing today?
A little better than good. Thanks, Jeremy, for coming out today.
So what do you have going on here at this storage space?
Well, you probably know some of the background. We do extreme makeovers for very small data centers for large companies and enterprises. So when people are moving their data center from one location to the other, we discovered that quite often they have to keep both up and running, and they buy new gear for the new location. And we found ourselves in a situation where they were paying people to recycle or get rid of their old gear. So I volunteered to find homes, find technology people. I like to call the guys lab rats, but we have people building Linux servers in their living rooms, utilizing some of this gear to continue their education, to grow their technology experience.
Excellent.
So I'm also in the process of having my name legally changed from Rick Tashman to Trashman. Okay.
Excellent.
So
what's an example of some stuff that somebody might find here? Give me a brief rundown.
For instance, right here, these are PDU strips, power distribution units, that are metered. So it's a power strip from a data center cabinet. Generally, you have two of those, one on the left and one on the right side, so that if one circuit breaker were to fail, the other one would handle the power. So people are buying these for their home servers. Now you might say, how could they possibly utilize something like this? This uses 30 amps of power. They only have 15 or 20 amps in their electrical outlet.
Right.
So this can be split amongst multiple breakers and has a meter in it that tells you how much current you're using.
Excellent.
This stack of these was valued when they were new more than my very first house in Northeast Philadelphia. However, today we're doing these things for $88 each.
Wow.
Which is pretty amazing for hobbyists. But some of the other gear we have, we recently helped a university to move from one location to another. So we got a bunch of AV gear. So it's not just computer gear, but we have things like amplifiers and video splitters and a lot of wireless devices. We have some older servers. Occasionally we get notebooks in.
Right.
Lots of monitors. We have over 100 LED monitors right now. What we're doing for some people, when we have an open house, quite often we'll give everybody one monitor just for attending. And as long as they bring a soft pretzel with or coffee for the, yeah, just kidding.
So tell me about how people can find you and how often you're here. What's the best way to reach out?
Okay, well they can text to me or email. My email is rick@tashman.tech, T-E-C-H, or they can text me on my cell phone 215-264-4521. So for instance, this weekend, Friday and Saturday, I have somebody coming tomorrow to get a AR3100. What is that? That's a computer cabinet. This person is putting a 42U, a 6-foot cabinet, to put his servers in his living room. So this is an example of somebody reusing the technology in a nice way rather than just melting it down. So it can be either by appointment or we do have open houses periodically.
Excellent. Well, I'm looking forward to seeing more people find out about you. I know I've had a lot of fun going through stuff. I wish you the best of luck.
Yeah, I remember meeting you several years ago here. So we've made a lot of nice friends as a result of this.
Yeah.
Some of the guys that have bought gear from us actually got full-time positions working in IT at some of my clients through us, as we're not a placement firm, but we tell clients about how geeky and how passionate people are about computing. That's a big deal, as well as it's helped people in their career just learning more. Thank you for coming out today again, Jeremy.
Thanks for
Good to see you.
Talk to you later.